after watching this video you will never throw away the shell of watermelon. Watermelons are abundant in vitamins and minerals and thus are extremely healthy. However, not all of you are aware of the fact that the watermelon rind is highly beneficial as well, and is even healthier than the fruit itself. As soon as you know about the health benefits of the white, hard, and tasteless watermelon rind, you will never throw it away again. The rind is high in vitamins C, A, B6, zinc, potassium, and magnesium, as well as lycopene, a potent antioxidant. The watermelon rind is also high in citrulline, an amino acid that supports the health of the muscles. Moreover, the fiber in watermelons also helps weight loss. Citrulline also soothes the nerves and treats anxiety. The high water content makes it a potent diuretic and eliminates the excess water from the body. The watermelon rind also boosts the immune system. If you ask yourself how to consume it, we suggest chopping it into chunks, and adding the rind to salads, or mix it with tuna or turkey breasts, and eat it twice daily. Therefore, do not throw away the rind next time you buy a watermelon, and enjoy its numerous health benefits. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and families.